Arun, would you want to? Okay, so this is about which processes we are going to choose, right, Arun? So I have allowed share screen. Do you
Okay.
want to share that screen quickly or?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So super leaders, whoever are watching this recording, today we are choosing the processes that are required for us to get our plan to win 5.0, not 5.0. What are we going to call it? Like, intentional, express, whatever y'all say. Let us call it something now, because मुझे ना announce करने के टाइम पे सवाल पड़ता है कि मैं क्या बोलूं इसको.
So according to me, it should remain as plan to win.
नहीं वो तो है, मगर जैसे वो बोल रहे थे ना क्रोम की क्या करना है, मतलब कि वो सेम ये प्लान टू विन भी रह सकता है, मगर प्लान टू विन इंटेंशनल ऐसा क्या कर सकते हैं कि ओनली प्लान टू विन रखते हैं.
Even I think plan to win is enough.
Enough,
Express अच्छा नहीं लगता है.
नहीं कोई इंटेंशनल, मतलब they know that this is not the free plan to win ऐसा.
It is not a free plan to win.
See, the reason I'm saying is, क्योंकि in the long run now, this is going to be there. You know, the commercial is going to be there, and we will only have one main product. We might have, other kind of extended, things like that. But ये main product, main branch जो है वो एक ही होगा. And so in the long run, plan to win, just one name is enough. It will itself, it itself is a brand.
Okay, fine. ठीक है, चलो. So this
for my knowledge, who chose this name? Darshana, you chose it?
Plan to win was, yeah, when I made the program.
अच्छा, good. Okay, fine.
मतलब मैंने TMLP में जब गेम इन द वर्ल्ड लिखा था ना, तभी लिखा था प्लान टू विन.
Very nice, very nice.
And अरुण, तुमको इसके बारे में मैंने बताया कि नहीं पता नहीं, मतलब all other also super leaders can. So when I was, this is my like 8 quarters totally into TMLP, and 7th quarter पे मैंने जब ये बनाया ना, तो मैंने सबसे पहले तो process किया. What was the process, अरुण? Always first you have to see what are you powerless in, which is the area that you loss of power. So there were many areas which are loss of power, but immediately the attention was not causing results. So where if I've lost a power in causing results, then I actually speculated, actually went into critical, what is the inauthenticity there? Inauthenticity is while pretending to be determined, committed, and all that. What actually I am up to in my communication is I am casual, lazy, indisciplined, XYZ. Okay. Then I got the impact of that, completely got the impact on myself, impact of that on my family, on my students, everybody. And from once I got the impact now, then I came to nothing.
Right.
And possibility create हुआ. तब तक तो मैं कुछ और सोच रही थी, मतलब मेरे दिमाग में मैंने सोचा कि नहीं, सोच के गेम नहीं करना है, पहले ये पूरा प्रोसेस करके करूंगी. और उसके पहले मेरा जो गेम इन द वर्ल्ड को मेरे को 6 घंटा लगा था बनाने के लिए, 6 hours. Okay, I started at 10 in the morning, I finished at 2. नहीं 6 in the morning and I finished at 12 because I had to give, otherwise देखो ना वो. और इसको मैंने 2 घंटे में कंप्लीट किया, पौने 2 घंटे में. ये सब करने में 1 घंटा लगा. And then I started done writing. I think 1 hour में मैंने complete भी कर दिया. So and it was really powerful because the process. Why I am sharing? Because this is the process.
Got it.
Perfect.
ठीक है.
Thank you, girl.
Yeah.
Impressed.
And Arun, I have registered for Nilesh Surana's course, by the way.
Oh wow, fantastic.
Yeah. Uma, there is a very senior, everybody in Seema also knows, GK also knows now, Shalaka also knows. Because of Rajesh ke liye bata rahi hu ki one of the landmark seminar leaders, is creating his own program. And I have been attending morning free sessions, like 2 days. Sonika, Seema, Shweta Agarwal, a lot of our people go there. तो मेरे को अच्छा लगा. And then there is a course that he's offering. I can talk to you separately. And I'm taking up that course, which is like, I have heard a lot of reviews and I wanted it. It's about sales. It's about
Munish Sharma है क्या?
lean management. No, he is Nilesh Surana.
Nilesh Surana. Okay, fine.
Okay, we are starting
Okay.
on 14th August.
Oh,
So Arun is going to show us, Uma, what are the
Yes.
processes that we have to choose from here. So Arun, you may not
Yeah.
explain whole thing. You can just say कि इसमें से क्या क्या करना है.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
Right.
All with
Okay.
you. Hmm.
Okay. So, ठीक है. So, if you look at the screen or the sheet, Uma, there are 4 different areas, and I have
Mhm.
written it, or 4 different headings, and I have
Hmm.
written it in black. So, number 1 is getting the business. Number 2 is doing the business. Number 3 is supporting the business, and number 4 is guiding the business. Okay.
Okay. Hmm.
So let me give you an example. अगर मैं CA हूँ, मैंने CA exam clear किया है. Next day I've got certificate. I'm certified. Next day what I do is, after I complete my education, is I take my briefcase or bag and go and sit in the co-working space या shared office. और मैं ऐसे ही बैठता हूँ, and then I think to myself, why is work not coming to me? Why is it that I'm just sitting over here and nobody knows about me? So what is missing is getting the business.
Okay.
So out of 8 hours, that CA person, what he should do is 4 hours he should go out and get the business, by any means. And when I say by any means, I mean actually marketing and promotion. That is, he should speak to people, market himself, build a rapport, build a relationship, and do whatever that is needed to get the business. And
Correct.
once he gets the business, let's say, first half of the day is done in getting the business. Second, after he finishes his lunch, what is the second half of the day that he should do? He should be doing the business. That is, he has got the clients. So for the clients, he should do tax filing, GST filing, the company registration, LLP registration, this, that, and whatever that's there. Now, so these are 2 headings. One is getting the business, other is doing the business. Now, if that person doesn't do one of these, then his business will collapse. That is, let's say I get the business, but I don't deliver it. Then people are going to say, okay, you're not delivering it, so we won't pay you. Or if we have paid you the advance money, please, we want it back. Or if I just sit at my table and think that, okay, I'm not going to go and get the business, I'm just going to be doing the business, then the business won't come. So for business to run, both the components has to go hand in hand. And this is kind of a must. Number 1, getting the business, and number 2 is doing the business. And if these 2 are not there, the business would collapse totally.
Right.
Now, the third one is supporting the business. Now, if the supporting the business is not in proper shape, then what will happen is business will deteriorate. It won't collapse. Say, for example, if I am taking orders on IT system. Now, if my IT system is not working, I can very well use the red register. And I can use pen and paper and write, okay, order number this, invoice number this, and that, all those things. So supporting the systems, supporting the business are those things wherein they are just helping to run the business or support the business. Now, guiding the business is all the things where thinking comes, the think tank. Okay, so इसमें क्या करना है, क्या नहीं करना है, and all those things. So these 4 quadrants are from one of the best consulting agency called as Touchstone Agency. Okay. Or Touchstone Consultancy. So I happen to get this learning from them, and not many people are aware about this. So there are these 4 different things.
Correct.
Now, out of these 4, getting the business, what we formulated is which could be related areas. So sales department hoga, marketing department hoga, PR team hogi, business communication hoga. Doing the business में engineering department होगा, logistic department होगा, manufacturing, inventory, R&D हो सकता है. Supporting the business में admin team है, finance का accounts team है, HR है, legal legal department है, purchase department है, IT department है. Guiding business में strategy team होगी, advisory board hoga, mentor board ho sakta hai, and all those things. Okay.
Correct.
So this is a very quick snapshot in nutshell, which I have
Okay.
shared.
Okay.
Okay. Now what we have to do is, for our plan to win,
Correct.
we have to work on systems, okay, structure. So we have to have processes in place, so that each process belongs to, and each process will belong to one of the, heads. It could be either in getting the business, doing the business, yeah, supporting, yeah, guiding. So we'll list down which are the processes jo humko lagenge, and for each process, what I'm saying is we should have one person in charge, and there can be many other people who are supporting that person. But there should be one responsible person that, yes, I'm responsible to, for this process. So this is my baby kind of thing. Okay. And then we can, build on that. So basic idea is process. Let's use as many process as we need, not too many and not too less. Okay. So that is, that is where we are. So if this is done, so guys, what comes to your mind? What are the processes that we should come up with? What's the list that comes to your mind?
Okay. Now you have explained the 4. Can I talk, Arun, now?
Yeah. Please. Yes.
Yeah. Darshana?
Yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah, please. Now you explained the 4 quadrant very well. Now your question is, what are all the process related to plan to win will be fitting into these quadrant? For example, engineering doesn't fit, logistic doesn't fit, manufacturing doesn't fit. So you want to know which are the one which has to fit. Number 1.
Yes.
Number 2, who will be the FPR, first person responsible. The other people can support them.
Right. Yes.
Right.
Yes.
Fantastic. Okay, got it. Now you want my input or Darshana's input or together, or what it is?
Whichever way we can go. Yeah.
Okay, fine. Darshana?
Yeah, you can go ahead and then I can just.
Acha, you can do. I can do. Okay, fine. In getting the business, yeah, marketing is a must. Acha, this PR is nothing but our, what is that called? Social media and all comes under PR?
Social media, no, actually it's different. So maybe we can treat it differently.
Okay, social media.
And later on, अगर हमको ऐसा लगता है कि दोनों को merge करना चाहिए, तो we can do that as well.
Okay. So हमारा इसमें sales लगेगा क्या? Will we have a sales? Or we will have only marketing?
What do you think, Uma?
Arun, आपका input?
You want my input because मैंने लिखा है. So should I go to that sheet?
अच्छा, आपने लिखा है, okay.
हाँ, नहीं, मैंने लिखा है separately. So
okay. No, last में देखेंगे ना.
ठीक है.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
So sales process, okay, marketing process, and social media is one. See, the getting the business for us, business is getting people.
Yes.
Right? Okay. Okay, as of now, I'm putting a stop here and I'm going to next doing the business.
Okay, fantastic.
In doing the business, the first one is, as Darshana said, what are our products? We need to be very clear on our products.
Content creation.
And the process.
Okay. Should I say product development?
Product
revision, product revision or product development. Yeah.
Okay. You can say product development.
Yeah, / revision.
Revision. Okay.
Yeah, because it keeps on getting better and better, updated. Yeah.
And the process.
Yeah.
And the process. See, our doing business
and
is
process. Yes.
We deliver these products. Okay, I think our business is that only, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Next, in doing the business, you need to have a backup plan. Is what I think.
Okay. Okay. Backup plan as in. Explain, please.
For everybody, there will be for every person there is a backup plan. That's a part of doing business.
Okay. Okay.
Are you talking about allocating?
No, backup plan, like how Seema took over Shalaka's, GK's thing. That's a backup plan. It comes under process only, but
Mhm.
it's a part of process, but it is not the process.
Okay. So I
Standby.
want standby. So are you saying backup for a person, or are you saying backup for vertical? What are you saying? Or are you saying both?
One is you said person, other one what you said?
Vertical. So we have these different verticals, no? Like Seema is handling
Acha.
communication.
Okay.
You-
No, every
GK is
product,
handling.
should have a backup plan. Because our business is nothing but product.
Hmm. Hmm.
That product delivery should have a backup plan.
So
How you call it, you call it.
So that
okay.
for the people, Arun. It's like people,
Yeah.
like Arun
People,
ke
people,
liye,
yeah.
that is for the people, right?
Right.
The people are, you can say, who are executing.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, got it.
So I
Ha,
look at this from the customer perspective.
right. Got
Okay,
it.
so there should
Got
be
it.
a thing. Okay, then in the supporting, I'm coming to supporting process.
Mhm.
Yes, admin is required, HR is required, accounts is required, legal is required, and either IT, Amara, I think IT will come under. Sorry, our Zoom and everything will come under IT. Will it come under?
Yes, yes. Yeah,
Okay,
yeah, absolutely.
that is also required. Tech is required. I think supporting everything you have covered, if I'm not wrong. Admin, accounting, HR, legal. Acha, where do we fit in the statutory complaints?
Statutory, ये law के अंदर आएगा ना?
Law ke under statutory, okay.
Are you talking about grievances?
No, not the grievances. Yes, grievances also should be a support system. Yes, you are right. See, I'm talking about when we are a company, we should have a chartered accountant, we should have a company secretary. We can hire them on a sharing basis. See, my company has a company secretary for whom we pay 2,000 per month. On a sharing basis, we have got. So those are the statutory compliance which one need to follow very meticulously. See, our business is going to go multifold. So soon we will be getting the GST registration and USCA payment. These come under statutory. So a part of finance, a part of legal will go into statutory compliance.
Yeah.
Even if you don't deliver, it's not a problem. But statutory complaint ke bina ho hi nahi sakta hai company.
Right. Got it. So yeah.
you make it statute. Instead of law, you make it statutory complaints.
So how about law bracket statutory? Will that be okay?
Law as such, no. Okay. You do one thing. Put it statutory complaints. Bracket may put legal stroke accounting or finance. Legal stroke finance. No. Statutory complaints will the main thing.
Okay.
Bracket may legal stroke finance. These are the two things which will have this thing. Yeah, and good that Darshana reminded, we need to have a grievance cell which need to be addressed.
Okay.
Like, there was a thing from Vandana, right? So there should be somebody who should be immediately, like, reaching out. Kuch bhi grievances ho sakte hain.
Right.
Somebody said something, there was a thing, situation with Balbir.
And Arun and Darshana, one thing very, 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 important, I will say, we need to get it in writing from them, certain clauses duly signed.
Agreement.
Such that we are not dragged into any legal problems. We need to put our brains in that. I can do that. But even if you take out landmark cutting or any, I was a part of one business transformation. I underwent a training. They also took it in writing. If you want, I can just pull out those papers and connect it with ours. Okay. We need to get it signed. See, because this is a money matter involved. And also we are having people involved in that. right? So see, though the amount is 1,000 or 2,000, that's a different issue. But we should be very careful in those wordings. There should not be any loopholes.
तो वो लॉ में लीगल में करेगी, लॉ में ना.
हाँ, law में आएगा. See, we need
और
to
देख
be
मैं क्या
fact-
बताऊँ, मोस्ट ऑफ द प्रोग्राम्स में ये इतना होता है, उसमें से निकाल के ले लेने का कॉपी और यू नो.
हाँ, right. निकाल के लेने का. See, by prima facie, nobody reads it. That's a different issue. But we as directors are supposed to read it. And each and every one of us should know what is written there.
And you will get in most of these such kind of translation programs, it is
Yes,
there.
Alexa session भी मैं रखूंगी. I will make it and I will see to it that everybody gets in their nerves. Because
Yeah.
किसको भी वो query आएगा ना, they should be able to say no, ये clause है उधर कर.
Yeah, got it.
Okay.
Got it. ठीक.
Then
And as a process now, we know what we can do is, ये agreements है ना, ये हर हफ्ते में एक बार ना वो read करवाने का. जैसे हम लोग क्या करते हैं, वीकेंड में जाते हैं ना अरुण, TMLP वीकेंड में, तो पहले भी एंटर द वीकेंड, देयर इज अ स्मॉल मीटिंग वेयर द पर्सन विल रीड एवरी अग्रीमेंट, किसने किसने अग्रीमेंट रखा, ओके, किसने किसने ब्रेक किया, यू नो, सो दे आर अवेयर कि आप दे आर ब्रेकिंग, यू नो, ऐसा.
Nice.
दैट्स अ गुड आइडिया. या
Got it.
Okay. Then coming back to the process again, guiding the business. बच्चा किधर तो I want vision statement का. Vision.
हाँ तो okay.
What do you call it? I don't know, but every day see, in my company, sharp 10 o'clock, we get into the call and we literally create the vision mission. Each one of us. Okay, so that we want. Yeah, mentor on board. Yeah, we need a mentor. Advisory and directors. Yes, these are all comes under statutory only. उन लोग को लिया तो it will come automatically. Like for example, for finance, you will be hiring a chartered accountant on a part-time basis. वो बोलते रहेंगे ये करो वो करो ये करो वो करो, and we'll keep doing it. That's not an issue.
Got it.
ये accounts को ना थोड़ा finance कर दो ना. Accounts is different and see, finance के अंदर accounts आता है, accounts के अंदर finance नहीं आता है.
हाँ.
Make it finance.
Accounts.
Make it
Accounts.
फाइनेंस करो, फाइनेंस.
Stroke accounts भी चलेगा.
Stroke is fine.
Admin.
अकाउंट्स और एडमिशन, ओके ठीक है, फाइन.
अलग है दोनों, but चलेगा. मतलब we can separate it out.
No problem.
Okay.
Okay.
Later.
So,
जैसे expand होता है, we can do that.
Put the grievance.
Grievance इधर है 14th.
डूइंग द बिजनेस में रहने दो. हाँ बराबर है.
इधर डाला.
डूइंग द बिजनेस. अच्छा, ये 2 बार एडवाइजरी डाला है, देखो.
हाँ.
मेंटर बोर्ड, एडवाइजरी, डायरेक्टर्स.
ये जीके का इनपुट है. हाँ.
या विजन, मिशन, वैल्यूज. ओके, और क्या होता है गाइडिंग द बिजनेस में?
ओके. सो अच्छा, मेरा इनपुट अभी आना बाकी है.
हाँ. पिक्चर अभी बाकी है.
Yeah.
And statutory में legal compliance, I told legal and finance. It's statutory compliance, legal finance, HR भी उसके अंदर आएगा.
Legal finance. हाँ. HR है ना, यहाँ पे लिखा ना HR.
No. वो statutory अलग है HR का. See, please understand, finance and legal. And every process now is attached to a statutory compliance.
Actually, I didn't get this bit. Statutory complaint का क्या होता है, मतलब legal?
अच्छा, I will tell you. Darshan, I will tell you statutory complaints का क्या होता है. There are certain taxes element which we need to pay going forward.
And they are called as complaints. Why are they called as complaints?
Compliance. It is called statutory compliance.
Compliance. Okay, got it. Yeah. Statutory compliance. Correct. Yeah.
It's statutory. It's important. It's called statutory compliance. Okay. Like that, everything will have a. See, for example, if we are going to form a private limited company, example, we need to pay 1,500 as a director fee to the government. That's the ROC charges to the government. These all come under the statutory compliance.
Statutory compliance, legal, finance, and HR. You said, right?
HR may be here. See, if you are hiring a person, then you need to pay the salary. Uska salary paying come under HR, but uska legal complaints alag hota hai.
Yeah. So see, Uma, अभी तो हम मतलब baby steps ही ले रहे हैं.
I know
So
that.
all those things will come later on.
अगर स्टैट्यूटरी डाल दिया ना उमा, तो बाकी सब उसमें और भी कुछ कुछ डाल सकते हैं हम लोग. स्टैट्यूटरी के लिए एक सेक्शन बना दिया.
Because see, what we are thinking is statutory मतलब सब कुछ आ गया, and we have Uma.
Whatever
as
is a compliance
person in
required,
charge,
it comes under that.
He
Yeah.
knows what needs to be covered. ऐसे.
हाँ. But Arun, actually, you know, it is. I will not agree with you. We are taking baby steps, so statutory नहीं होता है. From
ठीक
day
है.
one, it starts, Arun.
तो बोलिए ना यहाँ पे क्या चेंज करना है,
हाँ,
बताइए.
वही statutory बराबर है. From day
हाँ.
one, it starts is what I'm saying.
हम्म.
Okay, so don't worry about it. I will take
हाँ.
care. I will put in right people and I will take.
Yeah, absolutely.
See, regarding the statutory, there are many people who come for us in a very low cost and a sharing basis.
Yeah, got it.
So,
Got it.
जितना मुझे मालूम है, my husband is also in that statutory line. So, जितना उसको भी मालूम है, I will ask him and I will complete it. But
Yeah.
जगह का beyond गया तो we will hire somebody on a part-time basis. On a part-time.
Got it.
Yeah.
और ये जो है ना, it's not that this is frozen. This will keep on updating and revising, and this will keep on getting better and improved.
Correct.
This will take a shape of how our business will run, or how we want it to be, running ahead, and moving ahead. So expand होगा वो.
Right.
Okay. And so what else? Darshana, your inputs?
No, I'm good. Like I was just perfect. I would want you to tell us.
Okay.
We're waiting for your expert comments.
ठीक है. मेरा expert comment मैं दे देता हूँ. So एक minute. Okay, so I've written this enrollment process. Okay, so enrollment process, what I'm saying this as, कि अगर मेरे पास किसी का contact detail है, okay, so someone from our first batch, Plan to Win, he contacted us, and he never appeared later on. So he is in our contact details. Now his journey from having our name and number to yes, I'm interested is an enrollment journey. So that enrollment journey कैसे करनी है वो अपने ऊपर है. So maybe because see, at some point in time either he approached us or we approached him. Okay, so we need to see whether he is someone who can be interested. Okay, so there is this enrollment process. Yeah, so enrollment process mein what happens is either we are doing outbound reach, that is we are calling him because we have his contact details, or he's calling us because he got our contact details. And what we need to do is we need to nurture his interest and tell him ki ye ho sakta hai, ye possibility hai, this can be done, that can be done, and this is what you will get in terms of benefit, advantage, and what is possible, and all those things. So this is enrollment process. So enrollment process ends when he says, yes, I'm interested. And the registration process is that his journey is from interested to he's registering it. He's saying, yes, I'm signing up, and here is the the payment, this thing. So this is the registration process, or we can call it as a sales. So this enrollment process is in business world is called as leads generation. You're getting the leads, you're getting the potential client or customer. Registration process is called as sales, sales registration. Okay, or sales order, bol sakte ho uska. Registration process. So, and the journey is for a person from interested to, yes, I've registered. Okay. Then, so these two things will come in the getting the business part. Then cluster creation process. Okay. It is falling under doing the business because it's a part of a product delivery. और मैंने यहाँ पे नाम भी लिखा है, people who are handling it right now or people who are good at which I think people are good at this this thing. So creation cluster creation process Uma का नाम लिखा है, enrollment process GK का नाम लिखा है, registration process Darshana आपका नाम लिखा है, and again there is no fixed thing that okay this person is there. I've just put in, we can have changes to that the names. Then this backup plan jo Uma said no, so I am calling it as a handover process. So in case of absence of this person, who is the next handover jisko kar sakte hain? And I think that this is kind of a HR learning and development area. Okay, so under HR, I think this might fall under learning and development. So Rajesh ka naam yahan pe assign kiya hai. Then if we are doing super leader induction and orientation, so we didn't had Seema and Rajesh earlier. So when they were inducted, that was, we actually had a proper process in place. And Darshana led that process very well. So it's, so I think that this is also kind of a part of a HR thing, where how the new joinees or new people can be absorbed into the team. I've proposed the name of Seema, then new product development, or we are calling it as product improvement. So I've put in my name. We can change that if we want. Something which we didn't consider at all in our conversation is budgeting process. वो हमने सोचा ही नहीं अभी तक till this point is कि budget कितना होगा. So if we are going to have a month rollout, तो budget कितना लगेगा? So we don't have a process in place. Uma, you might be knowing, GK, you might be knowing, Darshana, you might be knowing, business may to run the this thing, budgeting plays an important role. Budgeting is nothing but planning कि कितना पैसा लगेगा to, so that we can plan, for the expenses. I'm keeping the name of Vikas, okay, for here. End of the month review process. I'm calling it as a process, end of the month. End of the month, हमको एक one-page report आना चाहिए, या 5-slide presentation. Somebody should give it, either super leaders or someone, okay, and he should tell us कि progress क्या हुआ है. That okay, what is the progress throughout, and it better be backed with numbers. कि measurement ये है, progress ये हुआ है, this is the forecast, this was how the month was, and this is what we are targeting for the next month. Then attend, yeah, go ahead.
Learning भी होता है ना कि क्या learning हुआ,
हाँ,
और हमने मतलब क्या accomplish किया, और मतलब what is, वो भी चीजें होती हैं.
Yeah. I'll just write it down.
मतलब review में there will be learning का, and then
yes,
what all happened, like.
Yeah, absolutely. Okay, so मैं यहाँ पे लिख लेता हूँ learning so that it reminds. Then attendance sheet or process, तो यहाँ पे मैंने मेरा नाम लिखा है. Attendance sheet means, see, if you're working at some place, people are going to take leaves, people will be absent, people will be showing up, maybe not all the all the necessary hours, maybe 50% of the time or something like that. So we should keep noting of that, or we should keep record of that, and that record keeping is attendance. In corporate, in organization, usually the record keeping of attendance, that is the number of hours, is related to your leave attendance. It is related to your claims and salaries and lot many other things. Okay, so हमारे यहाँ पे at least we should keep the record of attendance in terms of number of hours that is spent and so on. आगे उसका कैसे करना है, कैसे treatment लेना है उसको, we'll have a decision on that. Okay.
Arun, sorry to just interrupt. It
yes,
is attendance, even for attendance of the participant also need to be captured, no?
Yeah, so that will come under one of the necessary requirement in the product that we have. So the product development जो है उसके under में we have that this is one of the parameter we want attendance of the people. Yeah, Uma.
Okay, got it.
Yeah,
This is basically the super leaders, the stakeholders, right?
yeah, absolutely.
Right.
Then जैसे budgeting process is actually planning, then we'll be doing actual spending. So expense management process. Actual में इतना खर्चा हुआ, actual में इतना खर्चा हुआ, and all those things. So Zoom link and payment and this and that. So I propose name of Seema यहाँ पे. Then communication process. Acha, when I'm saying communication process, I'm saying internal communication. That is within our internal team, stakeholders, internal. तो यहाँ पे सीमा का नाम रखा है. External communication process means marketing. Okay, marketing and promotion. Over here, we are talking about internal communication process. Then I'm also proposing end of the week also we should review. We should have review. That is, maybe we can have numbers or dashboard which says कि okay, end of the week में हमारा इतना progress हुआ है. Now how to come up or what should be in the dashboard, we haven't thought about it, but we can think about it कि एकदम direct month end को getting the aware कि अच्छा अभी इतना हुआ है, उससे अच्छा if we can week by week also know how we are progressing on the plan to win business front or plan to win commercial front, the product front, it would be good so that we can do course correction. Okay, so I am proposing Shalaka's name over here. Then customer support is nothing but the grievance handling that you said, and which is kind of after people register, they have some, they in case if they need support, if they need any, if they have any grievance, they need answers. So I'm proposing Shalaka's name over here, and then
positive and negative and the formula. All these things are
Sorry, just
named already.
some window. Open.
Hello.
Yeah, nothing.
Okay, ठीक है.
Window opened. हाँ.
ठीक है. So ये content creation process. What do you mean by content creation process is जो social media, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter या जो भी जितने भी WhatsApp groups जितना कुछ content जाना है, so we should prepare a proper content. It could be small videos, some small videos, montage, this, that, and all those things. So we can make that and we can send it out. So I'm proposing GK's name over there. Okay. Then process improvement. In fact, Uma, you only said कि हमको product के साथ साथ process improvement करना है. So I have written process improvement, and I'm nominating your name over here. And last is risk management process. Risk management means कि मुझे top 10 risk क्या दिख रहे हैं अभी आज की तरह.
Have you taken the video? The screen sharing has stopped.
Oh, okay. So what should we do now?
Do again the sharing.
अच्छा, एक मिनट. Okay. थोड़ा 1 second. Yeah, so this is there. एक मिनट. हाँ. Where is? Okay, till the time I do that, any questions? So last process is risk management.
Yeah, I have 2 suggestions. Your budget and the other one, what you said, it will come under finance. It's a part of finance. That's why I said accounting is different.
Absolutely.
Under finance, accounting will come.
Absolutely.
And regarding the risk, it is please change it to risk mitigation instead of risk management.
Sure.
Okay.
Fantastic. Good. This thing.
I would
ठीक है।
like to have the slide. Is it coming up? Yeah.
नहीं, मेरा Zoom मीटिंग ये क्रैश हो गया, तो लेट इट
Okay.
let it come back. हाँ, तब तक we can discuss.
No, so actually I would want to have the screen in front of me.
Screen,
तभी
ठीक
मैं बात
है,
कर सकती थी,
ठीक
because
है,
like
ठीक है।
lot of
So
things we were discussing.
yeah.
और ये
How about
एक
the
चीज मेरे
names?
दिमाग में आया, सुनो ना, एक चीज
Proposal
मेरे
of
दिमाग में,
names. Okay.
हाँ, मेरे दिमाग में वही एक चीज आया कि you have, मतलब I mean you have written the names, of course we will ask them. And जैसे उमा ने कहा ना, there are certain agreements of the participants. There have to be very we have to be very straight about the agreements with the super leaders also. क्योंकि जो भी आपने उनको processes दिए हैं ना, मुझे मतलब how do we know that and how do we hold the space, and they hold the space of this accountability, you know, जैसे अगर आपने बोला है review या आपने बोला है course creation, content creation, creative, whatever, you know, और जैसे उमा ने भी कहा कि we got to have some standby. Like for example, suppose you have given me the creation of content, okay, and I am not able to do sometimes, okay, and I tell you, I don't even tell you. So we can keep checking with that person, but you know there has to be a clear protocol. कि अगर मैं नहीं कर रही हूँ तो मैं किसी से करवा रही हूँ,
Right.
और वो हो रहा है, ये बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है. मतलब मेरे को, मुझे कोई पूछेगा तब मैं करूँ, वो तो हम लोग पूछेंगे ही, बट यू नो इट्स कंप्लीटली दैट पर्सन्स रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू गेट इट डन, डिक्लेयर ब्रेकडाउन. दिस इज very important. तो मुझे लगता है ना कि whomever is you are going to give you, like suppose under the name of Rajesh there will be 4 things, and Rajesh should be number 1 enrolled into doing that, willing and wanting and complete responsibility, you know, and what can be, you know, how we can ensure कि वो पूरी तरह से हो रहा है. So that's what I wanted to just kind of bring.
And I
Right.
have one more concern. I don't know whether to tell it as a concern or I don't know. See, definitely we'll be putting an exit clause also for each and every director or the partner, whoever we say. Okay. So in that case, we need to be very clear. Will we bring in somebody inside, or we will run up without that person? And the existing super leaders, will they be able to do justice for this along with their existing setup? All these things we need to think through, Arun and Darshana.
I totally agree with this, you know, because क्या हो जाता है, देखो, मतलब there is, and also you know, be very clear about whether they want to. जैसे आपने 8 लोगों का नाम लिखा है, maybe all 8 of them would not be wanting to take this up, you know, and that's okay. So वो भी हम लोगों को देखना पड़ेगा. And another question coming to me, this thing is, yes, you have written this, and how is it from day 1 we will be requiring it, or
Yeah. So what I'm proposing is, once we put all these things in this sheet, in this touchstone 4 quadrants, what I want is each person who is assigned to that should give us a briefing, a demonstration, a presentation.
Presentation. Yeah. There has to be a
how
presentation.
he is going to handle it. Okay. Say for example, if Rajesh is taken one thing, so then he has to give presentation to all the super leaders कि how this will come into action, उसको execution में कैसे लाएगा, and we can very meticulously pinpoint कि अच्छा ये यहाँ पे रह गया, ये यहाँ पे रह गया, you didn't think about that, so we can give all the inputs that are needed.
Arun, इसमें हम लोग, can we have like a what do we say, you know, actually sheet on which, okay, is this taken care of, is this, all of us, there's some parameters, like maybe there are 6 parameters in this, a critical, in depth, and I can write mine, you can write your pointers. Everybody can be actually evaluated, and it's a learning experience. Like if I'm expressing something and okay, deep thinking hai kya, you know, इसमें scope ये है क्या, I mean, I don't know, there can be 5-6 parameters over which we can check the preparation and, you know, how effective this leader would be, and we can give them inputs and they can make those inclusions,
Yeah, absolutely. So there is one thing, Darshana, since you have concern, ये जो 4 quadrants है, getting the business, doing the business, supporting the business, and guiding the business. What I'm proposing is we can also have one person in charge of this whole getting the business ka category. One person in charge of whole doing the business category. उसके अंडर जितने process आते हैं, we have this person in charge. So whether he really has taken care of that process, whether that is in place or not, so he can really check that out. He can really hold that person accountable कि हुआ है कि नहीं, so that he is kind of a one level up, that is there in all 4 places. तो वो भी कर सकते. Yeah, acha.
Yeah.
So this sheet is here. So you wanted to speak something from here?
Yeah. हाँ, तो वही एक्चुअली मेरे को बेसिकली वही कंसर्न था कि लाइक उमा को क्लस्टर क्रिएशन प्रोसेस अगर हमने दिया है, if she will be doing, she can take support of somebody, but I think or maybe like विकास को बजटिंग प्रोसेस दिया है. विकास को ऑलरेडी हम लोगों को पता है, as Uma said, if this can be accommodated in the regular daily schedule, सीमा को expense management process दिया है, so how much she is willing to take this. So we can always ask them to choose, and I think आपने जो हमने फाइनली ये किया ना कि प्रेजेंटेशन देंगे, मेरी जो भी अकाउंटेबिलिटी है उसके लिए मैंने क्या क्या सोचा है, क्या किया है, मगर ये कब होगा अरुण? देखो, क्योंकि क्या है, ऑल सेड एंड डन, वी आर गोइंग टू प्रेजेंट समथिंग ऑन ये कंप्लीट होने के बाद ना, मेन थिंग इज व्हाट हाउ आवर संडे ट्रेनिंग एंड व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन फ्रॉम लाइक बिकॉज दैट इज एक्चुअली वी आर गोइंग टू गिव देम एन एक्सेस टू सी कि क्या है, एंड रजिस्ट्रेशन कैन बिगिन फ्रॉम संडे इटसेल्फ. By the way, okay, तो clarity होना बहुत जरूरी है. There might be.
I have a suggestion. Can I say now?
Yeah. Before that, Uma, it's going to be like 7 minutes. Let's.
Yeah, 7 minutes. Yeah, I want only a minute. I have a suggestion. Like, if a person is not able to dedicate the required hours in our plan to win, let that person be on the board as a consultant. For example, I'm taking Vikas's name. He doesn't have time. He cannot manage cluster, but he can do visualization. So he can be a consultant on board. He will not be a partner to the profit or whatever it is. He can be paid on an hourly basis. This is a suggestion I'm giving.
So I feel, what, Uma, वो हम लोग ऐसे भी number of hours put in कर रहे हैं या कैसे कर रहे हैं, मतलब वो भी कर रहे हैं?
No, that is right. See, please understand. When you come as a stakeholder, you have a different ball game.
Yeah, correct.
When you have a consultant, you are a different ball game. See, stakeholders, for example, they will be part of statutory, part of HR, everything will be a part of it.
Yeah, so I don't know. Cannot be doing only one thing.
Vikas will be able to do with his acting and with his boxing and with his new business and everything. See, please understand, I'm not talking at his back. I mean, please don't take anything wrong. It's only an example I'm giving you.
No, and we get it. See, we want Vikas to prosper in whatever he is taking up, whatever is important for him, right? So we are talking from that regard only. I'm sure that this was required. Whoever it can be, it can be Seema, Shilaka, Uma, GK, anybody for that matter.
Anybody for that matter. Okay.
Yeah.
So that is one thing. Even if you take me, at the end, I need to think about whether I'll be able to do justice to plan to win. If my business is going, legal is going, and my education sector is going very well, how much time I will be able to put, I need to think of it, right? So everything will boil down to whether I'm able to do justice to plan to win or not is what I need to also question myself and answer you people.
Okay.
Yeah, got it.
Yeah, so that is one thing. So we can always give them the place as a consultant. Okay,
and see, see, one more thing that I wanted to share. See, there is no stopping for us to also have new people to join us on the main this thing. Okay, see, because if on the main body, and if if we see that they have good capability and good good what you say execution and good intention and intellect, we can really have new people joining us. तो वो भी हो सकता है, and there is no restriction on numbers. We can increase on numbers. ऐसा कुछ है नहीं कि
No,
only
it all,
this.
Arun, it's all now once again depends on what kind of company you will be forming. What, for example, if it's a partnership, then you need to go for a revised partnership deed. If one person comes out or goes out, everything need to go in for a revision. And if it is a private limited, forget it. No, it will all add to the cost. There was one more director on board which I had. For removing her, I spent 50,000 rupees because it has to go up to the ROC level. To bringing in person, you need to another spend 50,000 rupees. It's not that easy.
So see,
Arun, you know what? In the initial stage we can do before this is, then we will have to, see that this is maintained, for some amount of time.
So we can do one thing. We can always form a cooperative cooperative society, or we can go in for a trust. These are the two options I have got for you. मैं कल पूरा यही सोच के बैठा था, which is having the minimal statutory requirement, very minimal.
How about LLP? How is LLP in comparison?
Is also equal to partnership. See, LLP is something more than partnership, less than a company.
Right.
It is in the middle. It's okay.
Right.
Anywhere you go, when you join hands, like how you say number is not a this thing, everywhere agreements, statutory complaints will play a major role, Arun. So I think
see what I'm saying is we shouldn't get freezed because there is statutory requirement. I'm scared of doing business, or I'm scared of playing free and full expression.
मगर अरुण यहाँ पे मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है ना कि getting people or changing the whole organizational whatever ना, वो it shouldn't be done frequently. Before
I get it. Yeah, I get it. Matlab, see, I'll give you example. PCS and this Infosys, they had 7 to I think one company had 7 partners, the other company had 11 partners. So ऐसा ये नहीं है कि only less number of people should be there. There are good successful examples that big number of partners were also there in the company. So Infosys is one. If you look at how many people were there in the early days, 11 people, and I think PCS में 7 थे. So that is also good example.
You think that we can have conversations around this with certain people who are like, now we can see that these people would be, and will be contributing to this super leader body, है ना? हम लोग सुपर लीडर से बात कर सकते हैं कि उनको कुछ लग रहा है क्या है, अभी से कॉन्वर्सेशन करेंगे ना अरुण. So they will be like, if at all, ना मुझे क्या लग रहा है ना, सबसे पहले तो अपने पास जो है ना सुपर लीडर्स, उनसे बात करना जरूरी है.
Yeah. See, so see, one thing is in the long run now, we, on the top level now, we need people of director level. मतलब अगर director का जो profile होता है वो level का. बाकी later on, if we become very good and efficient as a organization now, then hiring of employees could be done because there is a job description and there is a CTC to the company. तो वो match हो जाता है. At this point, we are both the things. We are director as well as those people who are running that, those operations. But later on in the long run, operations could be actually, वो lean management में होता है ना, जितना हो सकता है उतना, do it with outsourcing, do it with third party, do it with someone else, so that you become lean, you stay lean, and you are able to think strategies, and you are able to think about new business development and new ideas. So let someone else take the operation part of it. So I think at this point, director level thinking wo lagega. If we are going to think about people who could be in the main body. I'm okay. If the intention of the person is good and he's also having same enthusiasm and passion, yeah, we can have it. And see, nobody knows future mein kya hoga. You know, we can't predict what's going to happen in future, how things are going to turn up. You know, for example, Vikas hai, Seema hai, main hu, you know, aap ho. We don't know, you know, how what are the things that are going to show up. Aise. Yeah.
Okay, guys, it is 10:30.
Yeah,
Any discussion to be
10:30.
done and wrapped up, because it's like we are into the session from last 1 hour.
Yeah.
It has
Yeah.
been a fruitful session, but still a bit. Can we conclude? And what
Yeah.
is the next thing that we want to do?
Yeah. So let's conclude. So what I'll do is I'll take all these 17 steps and put it over here, in, you know, as per this process names. So wo main kar leta hu. We need to pin the name, person's name to the process. तो वो एक next time पे करेंगे, person's name to the process, and next time onwards we should not cross talk on, suppose if you are talking about let's say content creation, तो content creation के ही बात करनी चाहिए हमको, sorry, we shouldn't cross talk about other process, because right now अभी क्या हो रहा है, we are jumping from one to another and another to, you know, this thing, and उसमें time भी जाता है, and it takes time for people to get into that frame of reference.
हाँ,
अच्छा, हम ये पेज पे है और इसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. So it's better that we pick one by one process and go ahead forward. So next time पे यहाँ पे you know, writing the names कर देते हैं, and we'll ask people who would go ahead in preparing the brief or draft and who can present us. So dhadadhad presentation shuru kar dete hain, and we can pinpoint which are the gaps that are there in this process, and we can keep on fixing and revising it. So that's what I'm proposing.
Okay, so one thing, Arun, ki we'll have to, the 17 processes need not be discussed immediately, right? So there are
Yeah,
certain
yeah.
things which have to be taken and done before we actually start our work. So let
Yes.
us consider ki like we are now here, and in the coming week, which
Yeah.
processes can be done as priority. तो
Yeah.
as you said that उसमें वही बात करेंगे और कुछ नहीं बात करेंगे. So वो मैं
Right.
चाहती हूँ कि आप एक लिस्ट अगर बना सकते हो ना,
Hmm,
that by and large these are the topics which processes. See why? Because you have been handling this, okay?
Right. Right.
तो आप बताइए कि ये processes अभी हम लोगों को ये दिन पे we can choose to make a shift in that, but these processes have to be done in this week. That's
Right.
one thing. I think now the immediate conversation that we got to have, because today is Thursday.
Hmm.
Okay, tomorrow, day after, we have 2 days where we can, in fact, tomorrow only we have to finalize what is going to happen on Sunday. So tomorrow I will get in touch with you. You know, we can put also, Uma, we are going to, and everybody who's watching this, we are going to put the recording in the, no, the link in the group. Whoever wants to join, we can, you know, try and meet as much time tomorrow and fix it. Ki hum log Saturday ko, because I'll be presenting, right? Arun, we will be presenting, right? We have to be very clear about what's going there.
Okay.
है ना, क्योंकि उस दिन people are waiting for that Sunday. So tomorrow we have to start, tomorrow से day after tomorrow से, ना, we have to start creating the buzz कि okay, Sunday को कुछ होने वाला है, Sunday को क्या होने वाला है, are the groups dissolving, what's the next thing, you know, all that. तो वो इतना वो होना चाहिए ना थोड़ा सा कि anxiety भी, excitement भी, something कि there is a lot of people who are showing up, and we are also expecting new people coming in. एक दो भी रहेंगे तो भी उस हिसाब से अपने को करना पड़ेगा. So majorly कल ना सिर्फ इसके बारे में बात करेंगे, डिस्कस करेंगे कि what is going to be said on Sunday. Yeah, okay. And
Okay.
then after that next week we can take up all these processes.
Saturday, what time we are proposing?
Sunday सुबह 11 बजे.
Oh, okay.
11 बजे. And Arun, Saturday na mostly I may not be there in the call. There is something, I'll be out. So like this, I can be on the phone or whatever. Yeah, half an hour, but I will be out. I'm just being invited for some thing, and I might be not there on Saturday. Okay. So इसलिए
Yeah.
कल हम लोग पूरा बात कर लेते हैं. So I am sure about what has been spoken on Sunday. And
Sure.
we can collect together also lead, no problem. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, then it's 10:35, guys. So can we close at this point?
Yeah, good night. I'm declaring the meeting is complete.
Thank you.
Good night. Thank you.
Thank you, Arun.